Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Video, we will implement the new questions. That is a check whether or not the number is a palindrome in Java. So first of all, the questions in your mind is what is the palindrome? So don't worry about it. Palindrome is nothing about like see here you have to we were discussing in the numbers of palindrome. So let's suppose if we have a 1 to 1. Okay, if you reverse this 1 to 1, that also it will looks like 1 to 1 only. That is called the palindrome. If you have a 1 2 3 4 and to reverse this, it will become the 4 3 2 1. And check 1 2 3 4 is equal to 4 3 2 1. If you can see here, it will not. This means it will not a palindrome. Palindrome. How the question is how to achieve this in the program. Don't worry about it. If you watched it, my was previous video that is reverse numbers. As you can see here, the logic is this reminder and the reverse and the same thing you have to do in the palindrome, but a little bit of change. But you will understand the videos. Okay. So first of all, what are the variables you need? First variables you need a number is equal to 120 to 1. This is the values. Okay. After this, you need a one variables and reverse is equal to 0. The second variables you need third variables in reminder again then refer to the reminder is equal to 0. Then int temp we store the temporary values. Okay, temp is equal to 0. This is the four variables you have to need. After this, first of all, this is the actual values. Num inside of num have actual values 1 to 0 to 1. So we just store that inside of temp temporarily, just storing and to perform the action with this temp variable instead of num variables. What uh, temp is equal to num. That value is come inside the temp variable. After this, you have to perform your task. So while temp temp not equal to 0. In the reverse, you are doing with the num are not equal to 0. Here we were performing with the temp not equal to 0. To not affect the our original values. That is the reason we use that temporary values here. Then inside of temp, reminder is equal to temp percentile then to storing the reminder inside of rem. Okay. Then after this, reverse, you have to reverse your numbers. So reverse is equal to reverse plus 10 plus reminder. So what is happening here? Let me write this first inside of comment. Then we'll explain you what is happening here. See, the our condition is reverse into 10 plus reminder. So what actually happening here? Until the our condition become the false, the first step the reverse the value of the reverse is 0. As you can see here, value is 0. So 0 into 10 into reverse into 10. So 0 into 10, you will get the 0 here. Then after this, plus reminder. Reminder means, sorry, as you can see here, our logic is reminder is equal to 10 percentile 10. When you are doing this 10 percentile 10 means actually what you are doing here, your value is 1 to 0 to 1. Okay, this is the values is percentile of 10. So you will get the first is 1. First iteration, you will get this 1. Second iterations, you will get the 2. Third, 0. Fourth, 2. Then 1. This is the way of values you will get in the reminders. And that value will be adding inside of this here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So first values inside of reverse is 1. Second time that 1 is there now. First of all that 1 into 10 reverse into 10. So 1 into 10 you will get the 10. After this the 10 plus RAM. So 10 plus 2. Our reminder second reminder is 2. Second reminder is 2 here. So 2. 10 plus 2 1 2. The same thing is happening again and again until the conditions become the false, and the end of the day you have to get the values. So after this you need a one more thing, that is a num divide y equal to 10. So whenever you are dividing your division in your copy, when you are doing the division of this 120 to 1 by 10, you will getting every times the one values will be removed. So that is the thing is doing this here. Num divide by is equal to 10. It will be removing the values by one until the our conditions become false. First time this is like 120 to 1. Second time 120 to. Third time 120. Fourth time 1 2. And the third time 1. Now the our conditions becomes false. So our whatever the values we will get the reverse. We have to check also. So after this conditions is satisfied, you will getting some values. So that values you have to check if num is equal to reverse, and then this out. So yes, okay. Sorry. Num plus is palindrome. Okay. Then you need a sys out num plus not palindrome. So what actually doing num is equal to reverse and checking that values is palindrome, or let me run this program. Run it, guys. Okay, why we are not getting the output? Because of this. So we were performing with the temp. Okay, we were storing the num values inside of temp. So instead of num, you have to write temp. Okay, now run this program. See 12021, not a palindrome, but it will be a palindrome now. Okay, okay. See here you have to write num is equal to reverse. So why? Because see here what we're doing, temp is equal to num. To storing the our original values inside of temp to perform the our logic. To not affect to the our original variables or original values, we just use the temporary variables. And performing the our logic is reminder is equal to 10% 10 to getting the our reminders like 1 2 0 2 1 1 by 1. For every iteration you will get the one reminders. After reminders, you have to do reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus reminders. To storing that reversing values, like 0 plus 1 is our first, 1 is the first reverse values, then second is a 1 2 is a, and third will be 1 2 0, then 1 2 0 2, then 1 2 0 1 2 1. But after first iterations, after this, you have to also do 10 percentile is equal to 10. So it will be getting like a 1 2 0 2 1 is the first iteration. Second iteration, it will remove the 1 values. It will become the 1 2 0 2. Then 1 2 0, then 1 2, then 1. After this, you have to check our term is equal to reverse. If it's true, you have to return it is the palindrome. Else it will not the palindrome. Now let's run this program. See, 1 2 0 1 2 1 is a palindrome numbers because it is equal to same as the original values. What if we add here, let me 4 5. So you can see 1 2 0 2 4 5 1 is not a palindrome. After reversing, you can see here it will not a palindrome. So this is the way of this programming is working. I hope you will understand these videos. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.